doing, buddy? What you doing with your lips? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing with your lips? What you doing? Really? What else? Is that what you think? Yeah. You thinking anything else? What else are you thinking? Yeah? What else? Just kind of hanging out, having a nice little afternoon talk. Really? What's that? Got another something to say? Hi. Hi. Oh. Okay, just checking. You're kind of funny, you know. You're kind of funny, you know. Yeah. Alright, see you later.